Your new or used vehicle looks great, and you want to keep it that way. You can with Wise Appearance. Wise Appearance is an appearance service contract that will cover your vehicle inside and out, keeping your vehicle looking like the day you drove it off the lot. We all know accidents happen, from a spilled coffee on the seat to a shopping cart denting the door. An appearance service contract will cover these repairs and make it easier for you to keep your vehicle looking like new. Wise Appearance coverage benefits may include paintless dent repair, interior surfaces protection, exterior surfaces protection, windshield protection, vehicle key and key fobs, 24-hour roadside assistance, alternative transportation coverage. With Wise Appearance, you can keep your vehicle looking like new.